Hi guys, it's your girl Jakeira G and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some super duper affordable beauty items that I got from one of my favorite stores ever, Dollar Tree. Yes, shopping on a budget, getting the goodies for the low. Now at the end of the day, I do believe in paying for top quality products, but that doesn't always mean that the pricier item is top quality. So expensive doesn't equal top quality, is what I'm trying to say basically. With that being said, let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. The first item that I want to start off with is my handy dandy shower comb, as you can see right here. Now I actually do have I just bought a spare today. I actually have another one that is in perfectly good condition and it is currently in my bathroom, but this product is so good that I just decided while I was buying other things from Dollar Tree this go around that I just might as well pick up a spare one of these just in case anything happens. I used a shower comb in one of my very first natural hair videos, this exact shower comb in that video, and it's very good with detangling any type of hair. And when I say any type of hair, the only reason I really got this shower comb, let me backtrack to the original story, is I saw a tweet where a girl was saying she recommended this Dollar Tree shower comb first off, and she had 4C hair, I believe, but she basically was saying like this shower comb can comb through any type of hair texture. So I'm just like, okay sis, let's check you out. So I just went and it's only $1, so I'm just like, okay, let me just go ahead and buy this, and it really holds true to what she said basically. As you can see, it's pretty durable. Of course, I'm not going to put excessive force to break this on camera, but y'all know, like, can't really break it. Even now I'm trying to do it a little harder, but you get my point. My hair, a personal testimony, has broken regular type of plastic combs, any type of combs on blow dryers, all of that, brushes, all of that. So my hair has really been through the trenches trying to figure out like the perfect brush or comb that's durable for me. And even though this isn't really a styling comb, like an everyday, you know, it's only for if you wash your hair, it's been pretty good to me and it hasn't failed me yet. So yeah, this is a good one. The next item on my list is one of these little facial applicators, the silicone one. And I got this because I'm just now getting into skin prep and skincare. So I'm really big on that because, you know, as you all know, the smoother your skin is, the more flawlessly makeup is applied to it. And the cleaner your skin is, the more flawlessly whatever. But I just want, you know, natural clean skin without putting makeup on. I actually have a green one right now, but I just went to go buy another one. But it works better for me than the other, I guess, mass applicators with the bristles and stuff because I have really sensitive skin. And I just think that it's just a smoother application on your face. I also like this product because when you're mixing all of these masks with whatever products you use or whatever, I feel like the biggest hassle is removing like the product that may stick on a brush off of it. And this is, as you can see, it's just so smooth that any type of sticky little residue from any mask you put on your face, it's gonna like come clean off of it. So you really will get all of your products worth using this type of material as a brush. This next product I'm about to introduce is like the holy grail facial product for me because I deal with a lot of blackheads from time to time, especially on my nose and in this area right here. But this product right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, this is the GOAT. It is the charcoal cleansing nose strips, and they give you 2 in each pack. But literally every time I've used this, it has worked flawlessly. I don't know what else to say. It's just great. It's a really, really good product. And at first, you know, I was doubting it because I feel like, honestly, from a buyer standpoint, I feel like everybody at one point doubts everything in Dollar Tree. Like, it's too good to be true. Like, this is really $1? It may not work. Or, you know, it's just 50-50. It may work a little bit, but you're not really expecting much of a phenomenal turnout because it's only $1. But these little things, these babies, yeah, they work all the way. They remove everything that needs to be removed from your skin. All of these little, you know, dirt and buildup in your pores, they're gonna get it out. They're gonna pull it all the way out. So yeah, these the GOAT. Get some now. Okay guys, so this next product that I have, I didn't get it on this haul, honestly, but I always make sure every time I'm in Dollar Tree I just stop and get them. But right now I haven't used all of them up, and they are these little LA colored nail polishes. And I have a whole lot more, many more shades, but these are just the 2 that I'm just showing you guys. I'm always constantly using the white one, but every now and then I see a cute color and I'm like, this will look so cute on nails. Like, let me go get this. I'm more so like, I do my own toes, but like my fingernails, I'm usually either getting them done or wearing some type of press-ons. These are press-ons, by the way. Cute, right? Cute. Shout out to Kiss. But yeah. So these are really handy. I haven't really had a problem with them. I know they aren't gel polish, but they just get the job done. As long as you put a clear coat on it, you really don't have to worry about like longevity. Like, these last. I don't have to touch them up a lot because I feel like with your toes you don't really have a lot of action going on with your feet. Fingernail polish, go get them. They have many cute shades at Dollar Tree, so check them out. Okay, so next we have our Cosmetic wedges. Little things right here. I don't know if you can really see them. They're just little triangle wedges like you see on here. And our beauty blenders. So honestly, I know a lot of people kind of run away from cheap beauty blenders, but I feel like essentially all beauty blenders do the same thing. So I always get stuff from Dollar Tree, and especially when it comes to beauty, because a sis is on a budget, and if they have a cheaper alternative, I'm going to lean towards that. So yeah, these dollar beauty blenders work perfectly for me. I just feel like it's all about finessing with makeup and beauty and all of that in general. So yeah, you just gotta make it work. Both of these products, I know I really was talking about the beauty blender more, but you know, the cheap little cosmetic wedges, I mean, they do what needs to be done when you're, you know, applying just, you know, foundation, whatever, or more so for me, it's just like the setting powder. But yeah, these are both handy in my eyes. Yay for dollar beauty blenders and cheap little cosmetic wedges. Okay, so I didn't really tell the whole truth about using makeup brushes and preferring like the bristle alternative. More so when I said the stuff about the facial mask applicator, yeah, for that I like the silicone tips, but for certain products there's like no escaping using a brush or things with a bristle on it. This is an angled contour brush, and this is just, you know, your average little foundation brush that you just massage the foundation on your face or whatever. But I use the angled brushes more so for like my highlights, because you just do a little dab, a little dust right here, there, whatever, as you can see. It's flawless. But Great products right here. I noticed that you guys really didn't see the angled contour brush, so I'm going to kind of open it because it... Okay, I thought I was going to open it. This is how this little brush looks. Little dab here, there. I hope I'm not putting any dirt or germs on it before I use it. But I just wanted to show you guys that item. The other brush, I'm just going to save it. I'm not going to really expose it to any dirt or germs on my little hands right now. But, yeah. Cute little brush. So I know I've kind of been cheating on this Dollar Tree haul by showing some products that I already have before I just recently went to Dollar Tree. But I would be like so wrong for not introducing the holy grail of eyeshadows. You guys, this product has saved the pigmentation in all of my eyeshadows that I bought, and it just adds that extra pop to it every time. So without further ado, these are the little Wet n Wild pigmented little eyeshadows that literally come through every time for me. I don't know if you can really see it. These are the main colors I use, the bronze and the silver ones. I do have ones that are gold, more gold. This is, like I said, the more bronze ones. But what happened is what had happened was I first started getting these. You can see it now. I first started getting these because I had bought a palette, I think either from Juvia's Place, the eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place, or Morphe. And it really didn't pop out like it needed to, even though it was supposed to be like a shimmer pop out palette or whatever. And so I was going to Dollar Tree and just looking for a cheap alternative, because it's like, well, I already spent all this money on getting this eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna make it work instead of returning it. So luckily I was able to stumble upon these little babies, and they have been saving my life ever since. And I use these type of applicators also. I guess this does count for the Dollar Tree haul because it's like a combination. But I use these with the little applicators because they're with the little eyeshadow palettes, because they're so like sticky and dense that you just have to dab it on your eyes. And I just feel like I would want to use something really disposable for it. And I'll try to like do a swatch. Like, it is more so like you can't see it, I don't think. So yeah, here's a little swatch of it. You can see it better now, definitely. But as you can see, it really does what it needs to do, and it's so very pretty. Okay guys, so thanks so much for tuning into my mini Dollar Tree haul. And if you made it this far, I hope you either like or comment or even subscribe to my channel to check out more amazing videos I have in store for you guys. So until then, you know, it's the end of the road here. And see you later. Bye.